some more rock holders. So these rock holders are really cool. You can fit your frag plugs in, and you notice they're open in the front as well. So you can stick pretty much any size frag plug in this rock holder, and then you use that by sticking it into a gap in the rock, and it kind of wedges itself into the rock. So you can place corals on the rock work, and you don't have to worry about gluing anything or trying to lean a frag plug in a certain way that it stays on your rock. You got this to go right inside your rock work, and it holds it in place very nicely.